Big Mac. Order it.
Oh. I have mincemeat. I'm just gonna go make a burger.
Ah. God damn it, stop being lazy. Stop being lazy and be more lazy.
I don't want to spend what, $7 for a Big Mac. Holy shit!
It's fucking crazy.
They used to be $3. They used to be $3 back in high school. What? Why? What? Why?
I don't know, man.
I hate this. I hate this so much. Anyways, you should start your stream, and I'll rage you or something.
I already started my stream. I'm live right now. At least in
Oh fuck!
theory, provided that it's not like fucking glitching out and buffering like crazy. Yeah, I think I'm actually getting a smooth connection here. I'm doing video editing right now. So if you want to yell at me about it, then feel free to. But if you're heading to bed, I guess you'll head to bed.
Yeah.
Maybe here. There we go.
Oh shit. Well, James is still here, so you can get an extra view.
What?
Oh, I didn't even say bye to my stream.
Well, you have the chance now.
What? I rage you and then say bye to my.
Well, we're in chat. You can. It's not like you can't do it. Let
Yeah.
me go get water. I'll be right back. Rem, take over
I
my
don't want to
stream
do it
for a
now.
second.
See this fucking gay. He sucks balls. He likes boys, and he's like stupid. He's a fucking dillweed. Oh, yeah. Hi, guys. It's Pseudo here. How you doing? I like
All right, I'm
Houdini.
back. What's going on?
Okay, well, nothing.
Nothing. Is this Houdini? No, this is Da Vinci.
Da Vinci. You mean Da Vinci?
Da Vinci Resolve. Da Vinci
Resolve.
Resolve. Get fucked. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. I'm trying to figure out how to mute this without muting the entire thing.
Mute what? Can't you just click on the thing and mute the audio on that specific
track?
Yeah.
The problem is that there's other tracks that I wanted to keep.
Oh no, just mute the clip itself. Is that not an option?
Oh no, it totally is. But that would imply that I'm competent.
Oh.
Oh no, that's a marker. Audio maybe?
I don't know how to use this tool.
What's up, y'all? PseudoKid here. Today's tutorial is going to be
I'm an After Effects guy.
Yeah, I know. I am wholeheartedly aware that you are an After Effects guy. This is another way to do it. Just do this. Maybe?
Anyways. I'm gonna leave you to this because I'm hungry as hell.
Is it because we were talking about Big Macs?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I want to go get Big Macs.
Alright, well, have a good Big Mac.
I will catch you next time.
By the way, James, I went and I got my small glass of water.
have fun with that. Bye.
Night. Mute clip without muting. Two ways to mute.
Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to mute part of audio in DaVinci Resolve. So I'm in DaVinci Resolve 18 and I have a video clip and an audio clip underneath it. Let me play it for a few seconds just to see what we have here. And let's say I want to mute part of this audio. To do that, we need first to cut the audio in parts so that we mute only one part of it. Make the cuts. There are two ways, using the blade edit mode or using the Ctrl-D shortcut in Windows. Let's say I want to make a cut here. First, I will make the cut using the blade edit mode. Click to select it and click on the audio clip to make a cut. And next, let's say I want to make a cut here. Move the timeline bar to that position, and I want to do this cut using the shortcut. So select the audio clip and hit Ctrl-B on your keyboard. Now we have a cut part of our audio clip. To mute it, there are two ways. The first way is using the shortcut. Just hit the D key on your keyboard. Now if I play the audio is muted. The next way to mute the
What's up, y'all? PseudoKid here.
The audio is from the inspector tool. Select the part of the audio clip you want to mute. Put the inspector is not open, click here. And now in the volume, slide it all the way to the left and the audio will be completely muted.
What's up, y'all? PseudoKid here. Today's tutorial. Delta key. What's up, y'all? PseudoKid here. Today's tutorial is going to be opening and closing a door in Unreal 5 using C++. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started on this tutorial. With your project open, we're going to want to select Content Drawer, C++ Classes, Door Tutorial, or whatever you've named your project. Right-click, New C++ Class. We're going to select Actor, click Next, and then we're going to give this a meaningful name. I'm going to call mine DT Door Base. And then we're going to click Create Class. Now with the door actor created, we're going to right click again, create new class. This time we're going to create a Unreal interface. Then we're going to give this a meaningful name. So I'm going to say DT Interact Interface. And this interface will allow us to have a singular spot to make all of our interact calls and can be reused for infinite actors in the future. We're going to start with adding the method to the interact interface. This we're going to call the interact event, and it's not going to return anything in this instance. Interact event. And we do want to take in the actor that is performing the interact action. So we'll say interacting actor. And then we want to be able to utilize this inside of blueprints as well. So in order to do that, we'll need to make it a U function and blueprint native event. And then we will put this under the category of door tutorial to keep with consistency. Now that the method has been added to the interact to keep with consistency. Now that the method or tutorial to keep with consistency. Now that the method to keep with consistency. Now that the method has been added to the interact interface, let's tidy up the door actor and then add the interface to it. So we're going to start by removing tick from this because this does not need to tick. So can ever tick can be false. We're going to delete the tick event method because it's not going to be used, and we remove it from the header as well. Then we can include the interface here, which will be DT interact interface. And then we can come down here to the declaration for the class and add a public IDT interact interface here, which will declare that, hey, we plan on actually implementing this interface. Which will declare that, hey, we plan on actually implementing this interface. Now that hey, we plan on actually implementing this interface. Now that we've added implementing this interface. Now that we've added the interface to the will declare that, hey, we plan on actually implementing this interface. Now that we've added the implementing this interface. Now that we've added the interact interface here, which will declare that, hey, we plan on actually implementing this interface. Now that we've added the interface hey, we plan on actually implementing this interface. Now that we've added the interface to the class, we're going to actually need to implement the actual code for this. To do that, we're going to start off with declaring the actual method, which will be void interact event underscore implementation. And this underscore implementation is required because we're making it blueprint overridable. If you're not doing that, then you wouldn't need that. Now we're going to also need to declare it here. We can do that with a void ADT your base interact interface should autocomplete for you. Here we're going to actually do the open your logic will happen here, but we'll implement that slowly as we go. Will happen here, but we'll implement that slowly as we go. Here we're going to actually do the DT your base interact interface should autocomplete for you. Here we're going to actually ADT your base interact interface should autocomplete for you. Interface should autocomplete for you. Now that the door has been cleaned up and has the interface set up, let's start fleshing out the components that we're going to need in order for the door to show up, like the mesh, the timeline, and the audio. So we're going to start by coming down to protected here. We're going to add some U properties. These U properties are going to have, quite a few of them are going to have edit anywhere. And then category, we'll give them door tutorial. We're going to start with the meshes. So T object pointer, and this will be a door tutorial. We're going to start We're going to start with the meshes. So T object pointer, and this will be a U static mesh component. And this will be the door frame mesh component. Then we can copy this. This will be the door mesh. And then we're going to need an audio component. Then we can copy this. This will be the door mesh.